The Metabo HPT KC18DFX combo kit features a robust 18-volt hammer drill that offers an impressive 485 inch-pounds of torque, making it ideal for demanding tasks. This combo kit includes a lightweight impact driver that weighs just 2.2 pounds but delivers a powerful 1,328 inch-pounds of torque. Both tools in the kit are part of the versatile MultiVolt system, which allows for compatibility with both 18-volt and 36-volt batteries for extended runtime. The hammer drill comes with a half-inch keyless all-metal chuck, providing quick and easy bit changes while ensuring secure holding power. With the inclusion of two 18-volt 2 Ampere-hour lithium-ion batteries, users can benefit from an on-battery fuel gauge for convenient monitoring of power levels. The lifetime tool body warranty offered by Metabo HPT for this combo kit ensures long-term reliability and peace of mind for users.